Welcome to Bees on a Bicycle. We are a small local Chattanooga business based right here on Market Street. As a small business, we are a vital part of the growing Chattanooga economy, pumping through the tax base into things like schools, infrastructure, and health of our community. One of the things that is very important to Bees on a Bicycle is our regenerative practices. We are in the midst of working with gardeners who are putting one step beyond sustainability into their gardens through healthy soil, creating vital, healthy plants that don't need things like pesticides and fertilizers and all sorts of other chemicals that aren't necessarily healthy for us, our families, and our environment. Through regenerative principles, we're able to get healthy soil that in turn allows these guys to be super healthy and create really beautiful gardens. So what can you find at Bees on a Bicycle? The first thing is native plants, pollinator friendly, neonicotinoid free, and really healthy for your garden. Organic flowers, herbs, and veggies in zero waste compostable pots, which I think is super exciting. That's a new thing this year. There's a selection of ornamentals with a focus on non-invasive plants, where we really pay attention to what's on the invasive list and we educate people about that. We also address indoor air quality with indoor plants, and we sell quite a few of those. In addition, Bees on a Bicycle has alternatives to plastic with pots for both indoor and container gardening outside. We look at things like rice hull pots that are a great eco alternative to plastic that often ends up in a landfill. So what can we do together to make selections available to our customers so that they select something that will be useful and compostable? So here are some of our pots. We also have garden supplies that are alternative, things with minerals from the seed, non-GMO seeds, and more. So thank you so much for visiting Bees on a Bicycle today, and we hope to see you soon. More information at beesonabicycle.com.